Welcome back to Decoding AI for You, the 5-minute deep dive. I'm in the trade show event planning world, and like many of you, I've been hearing a lot about generative AI. At first, I wasn't sure what all the hype was about. But once I started digging into how it could actually help with project management, the core of what I do every day, it really started to click. Generative AI isn't just another buzzword. It's a tool that creates text, images, ideas, rather than just analyzing. And in our business, where every event has 1,000 moving parts, that creative muscle is proving to be a game changer. Let me break it down. Picture the chaos of a major trade show: exhibitors, vendors, schedules, signage, marketing content, attendee logistics. Generative AI acts like a super assistant, one that doesn't sleep. It helps me plan, execute, and even review events with way more precision and way less stress. One of the first things I noticed: content creation became almost effortless. AI can whip up personalized emails, tailored website copy, booth graphics, even social media posts, all aligned to our event's target audience. What used to take days now takes minutes. That means I get to spend less time sweating over brochures and more time focusing on big picture strategy. Then there's decision making. Normally, I'd have to sift through past data manually: attendance figures, budget overruns, vendor delays, you name it. Now, AI does that heavy lifting. It pulls from historical trends, real time analytics, even social sentiment, and surfaces insights I might have missed. It's like having a project analyst whispering smart suggestions in my ear. For example, I used to go with my gut when choosing which themes or products to highlight. Now, the AI can tell me that attendees at last year's event who liked eco-friendly booths also engaged more with sustainable product displays. So next time, I know exactly where to invest effort and dollars. And let's talk about personalization. With AI, every attendee can have a curated agenda. It factors in their interests, past events, and even real-time behavior to recommend sessions, exhibitors, and networking opportunities. No more generic experiences. This is tailored, and people love it. From my side as a project manager, the biggest win? Automation. I'm talking about auto-generating daily status reports, answering standard exhibitor questions through AI chatbots, summarizing meeting notes, or flagging risks in the schedule before they become problems. That's not just helpful, it's transformational. I save hours every week, and my team can focus on strategic work, not chasing down logistics. Take scheduling. AI analyzes labor data, shipping timelines, even weather forecasts. It warns me if we're likely to hit an overtime spike or if a delivery is trending late. I get ahead of issues and make smarter calls. That builds trust with vendors, with my team, and especially with clients. Cost control has gotten sharper too. By optimizing crew hours and equipment usage, AI helps prevent expensive delays or underutilized rentals. And when it comes to estimating bids, AI's historical pattern matching has boosted our pricing accuracy, helping us win work while protecting our margins. But what's really exciting is how AI helps us collaborate. It can suggest 20 optimized booth layouts based on traffic flow and fire codes in seconds. My team doesn't waste time on first drafts. We review, refine, and move forward. AI is part of the creative process now. Now look, I'm not saying it's magic. There are challenges. People get uneasy when a system starts making suggestions that challenge how things have always been done. You need transparency, clear reasoning behind what the AI recommends. And you can't ignore data privacy. We're handling sensitive info, attendee profiles, exhibitor contracts, so security and compliance have to be airtight. Cost is another factor. AI tools aren't free. But when you weigh the potential savings in labor, printing, planning hours, and customer satisfaction, it becomes easier to justify. Still, it means rethinking some roles and retraining folks. We're not replacing people. We're upgrading what they can do. You also don't want to over-rely on the system. It's smart, but not perfect. Human oversight still matters. We've got to keep our judgment sharp. That said, the future is clear. By 2045, half of today's work activities might be automated. For me as a PM, that doesn't mean less work, it means better work. More time spent on strategy, relationship building, creativity. Less time bogged down in task coordination and follow-ups. And this isn't just theory. Companies are already doing this. Eventico Technologies saw a 70% reduction in check-in times and a 30% cut in event management costs after integrating AI. Attendee satisfaction went up 20%. That's serious impact. ExpoMax used AI for real-time crowd management at their mega shows. They cut down traffic bottlenecks by 35% and increased engagement between attendees and exhibitors by 25%. And they made layout changes during the event based on live data. That's agility at a whole new level. So yeah, this is real. It's here, and it's working. As I look ahead, here's the question I keep asking. If AI takes care of the busy work, what creative, strategic, human-first experiences can we design next? That's the real opportunity. And that's why I'm all in on figuring out how to make generative AI part of my trade show project management playbook. If you're ready to take the next step, check out the resources in the description, which includes our deep dive report, provides a detailed analysis on generative AI within your industry. And as always, stay curious, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next episode of Decoding AI for You. Thanks for watching Decoding AI for You. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let's keep exploring the future of AI together. See you next time.